Is your SQLite Project apps broken by the SQLite3-x86 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. Before we begin the walkthrough for SQLite3-x86 library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the SQLite3-x86 library, the 32-bit x86 implementation of the SQLite engine. It is required by legacy 32-bit browsers and industrial tools to manage local data stores. On 64-bit Windows, this file belongs in the syswow64 folder. Missing this file results in the parent 32-bit application crashing immediately upon attempting to access its settings. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The presence of SQLite3-x86 library DLL is mandatory for SQLite Project to initialize the engine, and a full reinstallation of your main application suite with the error will resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the SQLite3-x86 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing SQLite3-x86 library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing SQLite3-x86 library and system behavior. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing SQLite3-x86 library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.